guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have some good deals going on. Scan the items with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have to help with the deal. And if you need a copy or you want to screenshot the deals I shared in this video, check my description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals that will be in this video. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Neutrogena makeup remover wipes are on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back and their price are $7.79. Pick up 2 for a total of $15.58. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 7 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next Neutrogena deal I have is spend 25 get 10 back. Pick up 1 Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel priced at $25.99. We have a $5 digital coupon that will drop it down to $20.99 and you get 10 back, making it $10.99. The next facial care deal I have is spend 12 get 3 back on any Garnier facial care. Pick up 1 Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water priced at $11.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Use a $3 digital coupon and you pay $8.99, get 3 back, making it $5.99. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 5 back on any Nivea body wash. Pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 5 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The 11.25 soft soap liquid hand soap, 9-ounce foaming hand soap and the 3-pack Iris Spring bar soaps are on sale for $3.49 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. This deal you can mix or match, just do it however way you want. I'm going to explain it with a soft soap. Pick up 2 for a total of $6.98. Use the 75-cent digital coupon and you will pay $6.23, get 2 back, making them $4.23 or $2.12 each. Garnier whole blends are on sale for 2 for $9 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2, use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6, get 3 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. My next deal is on Garnier Fructis Hair Care. They are on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.59 each. The two will total $11.18. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.18, get 4 back, making them $4.18 or $2.09 each. The next hair care deal I have is on OGX. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $8.69 each. And with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $5.21. These two will total $13.90. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.90, get 2 back, making them $5.90 or $2.95 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $11 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2. Pay $11 and you get 3 back, making them $8 or $4 each. The 11-count Finish Powerball Ultimate Tabs are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 and it's priced at $9.99. With the buy 1 get 1 free, you're paying for just 1. Pay the $9.99 and you get 3 back, making them $6.99 or $3.50 each. And another way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 80-count Lysol disinfecting wipes priced at $11.49 and they are also on sale for buy 1 get 1 free. That means you're paying for just 1. Pay $11.49 and you get 3 back, making them $8.49 or $4.25 each. Snuggle dryer sheets are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 priced at $7.79. Pay $7.79 and that will make each box just $3.90. Or you can pick up the 27.2-ounce Snuggle fabric conditioner on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box back and it's priced at $6.99. Pay $6.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back, limit of 1. After the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing just $6.24 or $3.12 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back. I have 3 options for this deal. It's a limit of 1 per week, so you pick whichever one that works for you. The first option I have is to pick up one Charming Essential on sale for $9.99, one Cottonelle 9 Mega Rolls on sale for $9.99, and the last item you need for this deal is one Bounty Paper Towel on sale for $9.99. These three items will total $29.97. Use a $2 coupon for the Bounty, a $2 coupon for the Charmin. The two coupons will take off $2 and you pay $27.97, get 10 back, making them $17.97 or $5.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up two Tide detergents on sale for $14.99 each. The two will total $29.98. Use two $3 off Tide detergent coupon, one from CVS app and one from Coupon24 app. The two coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.98, get 10 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. The second option is to pick up one Charmin 9 Mega XL bath tissue on sale for $19.99, one small Tide pod on sale for $5.49, one Dawn Power Swords on sale for $5.99. It's empty right now in my stores, but I'll put a picture on the screen to show you what it looks like. These three will total $31.47. Use a $2 digital coupon for the Charmin, a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, and a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn. The three coupons will take off $5 and you pay $26.47, get 10 back, making them $16.47 or $5.49 each. Or you can replace the Dawn dish soap with two Kleenex box tissues on sale for $2 for $4. The new total for these items will be $29.48, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use $2 digital coupon for the Charmin and a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Pod. The two coupons will take off $3 and you pay $26.48, get 10 back, making them $16.48 or $4.12 each. The next laundry deal I have is on the 30-ounce oil detergent on sale for $5.29 and it's part of buy two get three back. Pick up two for a total of $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get three back, and that will make them $7.58 or $3.79 each. The next laundry care deal I have will be on the 34-ounce Persil detergent. They are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box bag. Pick up two, priced at $10.29 each, but with the buy one get one free, you're just paying for one. Pay $10.29, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, limit of one. After the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up costing $9.79 or $4.90 each. If you like the Woolite detergent, they are originally priced at $8.99, but now it's on 75% clearance for $2.24. My next deal is buy two get five back on any Polydent or Polygrip. Pick up two 30-count Polydent dental appliance cleanser priced at $3.99 each. The two will total $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and you get five back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is buy two get five back on any Maybelline cosmetics. Pick up two Maybelline baby lips priced at $6.19 each. These two will total $12.38. Use a $3 Maybelline extra care coupon and you pay $9.38, get five back, making them $4.38 or $2.19 each. My next deal is on select Kellogg cereals. They are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box bag. Pick up one and pay $1.99. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.